Welcome to today's episode of our Focus On series. I'm Tricia Cowie from the Office of Student Affairs, Advocacy, and Access with the School District of Indian River County. And our Focus On series is really designed for you, our viewer, our parents, our families, our community, to make sure that you are aware of and can get up close and personal with the resources that we offer here in our wonderful district. And we hope you take part in every one of our episodes, and we've got a lot to offer in the resources. Today's topic, Focus on ESE, Exceptional Student Education. And I'm here today with Mrs. Rachel Morey, and she's the Director of Exceptional Student Education. And I want to tell you a few things about the department. You're going to learn a lot about that and the resources available in today's presentation. The Exceptional Student Education Department, under the leadership of Ms. Morey, is committed to offering high quality and specially designed opportunities for our students with disabilities and our gifted students. Really, this is the work that Ms. Morey and her department, they breathe every single day to make sure that they translate that to a wonderful experience for you and your families. Because we know that parents and families of students with special needs, it can be overwhelming. It can be confusing. And so the Exceptional Student Education Department and Ms. Morey and her staff really work to ensure that you understand the process, you understand your rights, and so that you can be informed and provide you all the resources that you need to succeed within a public school system. And we're just so happy that you're here. We want you to know, and I'm sure this will come across as well from Ms. Morey, you are not alone. Ms. Morey has said this over and over again. You are not alone. Not only can your fellow parents of students of special needs or disabilities relate to and offer so much experience to you and advice in your community, but the department itself is here for you. So really, we really want to get that across today. You are never alone here in School District of Indian River County. We are in it together. And with that, I want to introduce you to our presenter today. Again, the Director of Exceptional Student Education, Ms. Rachel Morey.
Thank you so much for having me today. I am excited to be here, and working in partnership and collaboration with you makes so much sense because engagement and engaging our families is a huge goal for our department this year. We want them to be a part of all of this work because they are a member of the team. So thank you for inviting me to be here. My contact information is on the screen. Please reach out anytime, but I am thrilled to have this opportunity to share some of the things that we're doing as a department in Indian River County this year. First off, and it relates to what Dr. Cowie was just saying, our Parent Advisory Council is something I would invite all of our parents and families to participate in. We meet monthly, and we are working collaboratively to ensure that we truly are elevating ESE and providing the best possible education for our students. So for this year, some things you can expect from our PAC, our Parent Advisory Council. We are increasing our resources on our district website. We're growing our programs with transition, inclusionary opportunities. We're expanding the continuum of services in our district, and we're providing access and information to families to support advocacy for students. We don't want anyone to feel alone, and this is not work that can be done in isolation. It truly involves a team effort and a team approach to ensure that any meeting, anytime we're discussing the needs of a student, everyone around the table is advocating for what is best for that student to help them be successful. So here are the dates of our meetings for this year. You're welcome to join us anytime, and all of this information is on our ESE website from the district website. And our next meeting is actually November 17th. It will be on Microsoft Teams or right here at the TEC office, at our district office. And we would love to have you join us. Each time we have special presenters, families speak up. There's a question and answer opportunity to find out more about what's happening with your particular student at your school. It's a great place to learn more about our department. So join us if you can. I wanted to use this opportunity as well to highlight some of the things we're doing this year and how this work is helping us engage our families and help inform our families. So hopefully this information provides you some answers if you have questions about how exceptional student education works or what the needs of your student might be. So this year we have adjusted our program specialist roles so that we're able to provide on-site support at schools, focusing on inclusive scheduling, providing a continuum of services, and elevating ESE for all students. So you'll see that we have program specialists assigned to specific schools, as well as programs and professional development coordination and support. This is also on our website. So this is your go-to document if you have questions, whether it's related to your school, related to a program, who do you go to and how do you find out? So our first program specialist is Daphne Matthews. She works directly with our high schools, both Vero Beach High School, Sebastian River High School, and our alternative school, and she is really working to build our transition program in Indian River County. She is doing amazing things with our schools. Laura McGill is another program specialist supporting Glendale, Treasure Coast Elementary, and Wabasso. Her background is in behavior analysis, and that's a real focus of her work, along with reducing our risk ratios across the district. She is an absolute expert resource for our department. Jessica Rojas supports 5 schools in our district. That would be Fellsmere, Gifford, Indian River Academy, Osceola, and Pelican Island. And her background as a school psychologist before becoming a program specialist has led her to be an absolute expert in terms of our MTSS programming, behavior support. She is an asset to our team as well. Then we have Tom Stull, who supports Citrus, Dodgertown, Liberty Magnet, Storm Grove, and Vero Beach Elementary. His background as a teacher of students with autism has helped him become a very strong program specialist, not only supporting our schools and teachers, but understanding how to give feedback to parents and families and providing resources for everyone to be successful. In addition to Allison Seeley, who supports Beachland, Oslo, Rosewood, Sebastian Elementary, and Sebastian River Middle. She also oversees our gifted programming, our resource specialist team, and our inclusive scheduling. So she is really helping us be compliant and organize our work so that we are set up for success, beginning with our LEA at the school level. Her work has been very powerful, and we're actually kicking off next week. It's Gifted Education Week, so her team has put together some special things. To be on the lookout for it on our website and Twitter. And our final program specialist is Kat Wolf, who is not assigned to any of our district schools. However, she does support our charter schools, our pre-K programming, and a lot of our compliance work. So she's our liaison with the state. She's our liaison with schools that we support through ESE that aren't necessarily part of our team, and really is working with our speech and language pathologists and with assistive technology. So she is another true expert helping us elevate ESE, and that is what's leading us to positive change. So the work happens in schools. If we're going to elevate schools and elevate ESE this year, it happens on campuses, and so we are thrilled about the support that we are providing. You can see here, this is our site visit data. We're capturing the work that we're doing on campuses when we go throughout the week to visit each school, so we can see who's getting support, who might need support, and how can we adjust what we're doing to help people be more successful. In addition to the sites we're visiting, we're tracking our campus contacts. So who are we working with when we do these campus visits? And you can see our #1 contact is our resource specialist group, which is outstanding because they are our local education agency on campus. They're the liaison for our district, keeping us compliant and ensuring that students' needs are being met. In addition to that, we track the focus of our visits. So when we're on these campuses, hundreds of times at this point this year, which is amazing, what's our focus? What are we doing? And you can see here that we're doing a lot of supporting, a lot of coaching. We're participating in parent meetings. We're problem solving. It's a whatever it takes mentality to, we go in, we'll roll our sleeves back and support the work so that school teams and families know that we are elevating ESE as a district and committed to doing what it takes to be successful. Some other highlights and focus areas for this year, we are doing the groundwork now to implement peers as partners in learning for next year, which is an incredible opportunity for our students. It provides 2 layers. So it's peers as partners in learning. We have students with disabilities who are paired up with a peer mentor, and that mentor attends classes with them and provides support within the general education environment so they can be successful. We're very excited about that. We also were invited to be a part of the School Choice Fair, which happened on October 9th. for Ready, Set, Go, which was an awesome way to celebrate Disability History and Awareness Weeks, which were the first 2 weeks of October. And so being a part of School Choice Fair was huge for our team and our department because inclusionary opportunities is a big goal for us. We want our department, our students, our families to be included in all things. And so to be a part of Choice Fair was incredible. And we do have some pictures that we would like to show you from that fun event. Some other exciting things we have going on. We have expanded the Continuum of Services at Gifford Middle School. Our goal is to extend this to all schools in Indian River County. Right now, Gifford has the most extensive continuum in our district, which is huge and an excellent opportunity for students. We've also provided facilitated IEP training for our resource specialists. We've provided training for our administrators and resource specialists on the IEP meeting process, leadership, and legal compliance. And we've expanded gifted allocations and offerings at all of our elementary schools. So we're just over a quarter into the year, and the work is just beginning. We have some very big goals as a team as to what we want to accomplish and how we want to elevate ESE, and we're excited to get there. So please, all of our families, if you're not already, please follow us on Twitter. This is one of our favorite ways to showcase what's happening in our district. We have parents that give us shout outs and spotlight work happening on campuses. We're able to shine light on the progress we're making on our inclusive playgrounds being built in our district. We're working hard, and this is a great way to see some of the things that were happening to really move forward as a county. And please know, just like Dr. Cowie said, you are not alone. We are here to help. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime. This is my contact information. Our program specialists as well. Reach out to any of us anytime. We are here to help. We want you to continue to advocate, continue to ask questions, speak up, and help us elevate ESE for Indian River schools.
Ms. Morey, thank you so very much. And I think from this small sampling of everything that occurs within exceptional student education every single day in our district, that you see that we are in good hands. You are never alone. What I want to tell you is that you may not know from the side of being a coworker of Director Morey, the collegiality, what you see in the examples of how the data was presented, how organized, how clear. She's a model for everybody here in the district. She has certainly been a model for myself in setting up systems for our brand new department. We appreciate you every single day. We work together very closely, it's just wonderful. So these are just some of the resources that are available, and please feel free to reach out to Ms. Morey for more information, and she'd be happy to address those with you. As Ms. Morey said, her next advisory council meeting is on November 17th. And so that's pretty exciting. We also have a growing in popularity. We had a wonderful meeting of our Parent Engagement Advisory Council, so not to confuse them, but that hopefully will be a busy week for our parents, so that you'll attend the Exceptional Student Education Advisory Council on the 17th, and on November 18th, please join us with an in-person or a virtual Microsoft Teams option for the Parent Engagement Advisory Council. You can find out more information on joining the council and really coming to the table like so many of our parents did last night. We had a wonderful, productive meeting, and please come use your voice, your involvement, and your presence to really shape and make known what parent engagement is or needs to be in our district. With that, we have a brand new resource we're really excited about for you, a Facebook page called SDirc Engage. And this Facebook page does not take the place of our district website or our district Facebook page, but it's easy to find. We're going to have links for that right on the Facebook page and the district page for you to find. But if you search for SDirc Engage, you will find the picture that looks like that with all the colorful hands around the world, because it really is for everybody. And we've got information for you on upcoming programs that involve, that are related to parent engagement and community involvement. And we really want you to learn to go to the SDirc Engage page to stay informed, to comment and ask questions right on that page. We'll interact with you. And if you like and follow the SDirc Engage Facebook page, you will be alerted to when we post things and when we go live with our high quality programming that has been really exciting to watch. And you can watch that at your convenience in the real-time moment, or it will be housed on this SDirc Engage page for you and your family to watch at your convenience. And with that, again, I am Tricia Cowie. I am the coordinator for parent and community engagement for the district, and I am part of a new department. It was developed by Superintendent Dr. Moore because he really values our parents, our community, and advocating for them. And so please know that within our department, we are under the direction of Mr. Eric Seymour. He's the Assistant Superintendent for Student Affairs, Advocacy, and Access. And under Mr. Seymour, he has two coordinators, myself, of Parent and Community, and our Coordinator of Equity, Dr. Kira Shafty, and our Community Liaison Specialist, Mr. Wilfred Hart. And you can see our contact information on the screen, and we're also on the website as well. And we really want you to reach out if you need advocacy, if you have any questions, we can connect you with the right person. We can find those answers. So between the Exceptional Education Department with Ms. Morey and the Department of Student Affairs, Advocacy, and Access, we got your back. We're there for you, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.